So, we are going to look at rational exponents. So rational exponents happen a lot. And we are going to follow this rule. B to the 1/2 power, that's an exponent, even though it doesn't look like it, is exactly the same thing as the square root of b. Okay? So that symbol, this square root symbol, technically has a little tooth here. It's kind of like the 1 in front of an x, or x to the 1 power, because it doesn't have to be written there because it's called a square root. So when we square something, that involves the number 2, right? So it's there, but we don't write it there, okay? So this and this are exactly the same thing. Just like when we were doing elimination, we multiplied the whole equation by 3 or 4 or whatever to get it to be the same thing, but just bigger. And so as long as you understand this concept, you will understand all of this. So 25 to the 1/2, if that's 25 to the 1/2, and that's my rule, how can I rewrite this? What's going to go around my 25? Not 2.
5.
How did that move? How did all of it move? What's happening? Okay, so b to the 1/2 is equal to the square root of b, okay? Normally with that not there. So if that's true, 25 to the 1/2 is going to be equal to the square root of 25, right? So what is the square root of 25? 5. Right? So what's this going to be? What's going to be written here? Square root of 16. Okay? Square root of 16 is? I didn't understand. Square root of 4. Good? So that's how to do those. I'm going to skip those next two. I'm going to have you do this, but I'm going to skip those next two for sake of time because we have some people who need to leave to go to another class. Actually, I'm going to do one of these. Let's do this one. So 324 to the 1/2 is going to be written how? Everybody put your phones down. Right now. Put your phones down. Put them away. How am I going to rewrite this? At least how am I going to rewrite that? 324. Which is what? 18. You enter that into your calculator and you get 18. Okay? Good? Alright. So if that's true, if this is true, the square root of x is equal to x to the 1/2 power. What's the cube root of x going to be equal to? X to the what? This is 1/2 power. What's this power going to be? Remember, there's that little 2 in there. 1/3. So now these are the same thing. So if we know that, then we can use the concept that we just learned. What's this going to be? X to the what? 1/4. X to the 1/10. Okay? Right? I'm so sorry. So when we get to have numbers in there, we can do that two ways. We can take the cube root of it, or the fourth root of it, or the nth root of it, or we can just enter it into our calculators really easily. And we're going to enter it into our calculators really easily. Apparently, I'm going to take your phone, put it away. Tell whoever you're talking to that is. What? Well, you put it away. All right, so if that's true, I can very easily figure these out. I could do the cube root of 125, but that's trickier on my calculator. So instead, I'm literally going to just enter this. I'm going to do 125, and then I'm going to do my caret button. And then I'm going to do 1/3. Nope, I'm not. I'm going to do parentheses, 1/3 equals. Do that on your calculator. What do you get? 5. What are you going to enter for this one? Got the idea? Okay. So that is literally the rest of that worksheet, or the rest of those notes. We are going to skip. No, do 6, 9, and 10. Do 6, 9, and 10 real quick. That one's 6. What is 9? What did you get for 9? Anybody do 9? Yep. Everybody do 10. Everybody get 10 done? What? 216. Okay? So is that hard? No. Don't make it hard. All right, so that's what we got for that section.